20, but if you can wait.
So that's better, right? Yeah. Very good. I'll turn off the radio, the lights, the TV. Very good. Well, a big group. I've seen a lot of people over here. Maybe half of the people that are over there. You can come over here on this side. Then we divide it at the cheese factory. My name is Diane, and I would love to tell you something about our Dutch cheese, about the Gouda cheese. Do you know Gouda cheese? And do you like it?
Yes.
I didn't hear all of you?
Yes.
Much better. Over here as well? Yes, very good. Because in a few minutes, we will go back upstairs where my colleagues are preparing a lot of samples for you. But first, I will tell you how we make our wonderful cheese. And in Holland, we make the Gouda cheese from cow's milk. Most of our cheese here are from cow's milk. And we use around 400 liters of fresh milk in this big container. Only 10% of this milk will be cheese in the end. The other 90% will remain liquids. You can see a bit of the process in here. All the liquid that you see in here, we don't use it for the cheeses. It goes back to the animals because it's still so healthy. They love to drink it. And we keep only the tiny white bits that you can see in here. So we take those tiny bits out, we call them the curds, the solid part of the milk. We take the curds out and then we can put them into a little mold. Well, this is the shape for 1 kilo of Gouda. It's a little net in it. We fill it up with the tiny curds and then we have some help from the pressing machine right here. It will press all the curds together until we have one solid cheese. And this cheese will be so fresh after the pressing. We can't eat it yet. We have to wait a little while before we can eat it. We have to wait at least 4 weeks. And then we have a beautiful young Gouda cheese. And a young cheese means that it's very mild in flavor. The longer we wait, the older the cheese will be, and the more flavor it will have as well. The aging process, by the way, we do it over there in the last room. We keep them on wooden shelves where they can dry and age. Well, the oldest one that we have here in the factory is 3 years old. Who likes old cheese in the group? I see a lot of old cheese lovers. Me too. It's very nice. It has a very strong flavor to it, but after 3 years of aging, the cheese also, yes, it becomes very strong in structure as well. It's a beautiful cheese. We'll be handing it out later, so if you want to try, feel free to try it. Wonderful with some salads or with a glass of wine. We don't have wine to try though. But a lot of nice cheese. So besides the natural process that gives different flavors to the cheese, we also have Gouda cheese that we add some flavors to. And in this way we can create many more flavors. Could be with herbs or with pesto. We have a cheese with truffle in it, chili, pepper. Well, you will see all of them. One of those cheeses I want to show you, because this is a smoked cheese. And you know why I'm showing you this one? Because sometimes people confuse it with meat, with a sausage. Because it looks like a sausage, right? But there is no meat, it's no sausage, it's only cheese. Very nice, smoky, creamy cheese. Well, I don't have any cheese here. Otherwise I would have shown you how we cut the cheese as well, but I'm really showing you upstairs. We have wonderful tools in Holland that we use to slice the cheeses with. You will see it upstairs when we make slices. Very handy. We are going for the best part. Are you ready for some cheese?
Yes.
Yes, very good. So you are allowed to travel with it. You can keep it in your suitcase or hand on your shoe cabinet, and then we'll keep for 2 weeks outside the fridge. I want to thank all of you very much for your attention. I wish you a wonderful stay here. Enjoy our cheese. And because I want everybody to try it, you are visiting group, I want on this part of the group to go up on this side around the corner. My colleagues will be there waiting for you. And if you wait for me 1 moment, I will open the door and we are going up on this side. Okay? Thank you all very much. Have a wonderful time.
Hello. Some old cheese on this side.
Would you like to try something? This is 6 months. Ready for you?
Hello, yes.
This is it.